everyone, it's Brittany Jones Cooper, and I'm here in Kansas City to meet up with everybody's favorite superstar skier, Picaboo Street. I'm meeting Picaboo here at the Women's Intersport Network annual Women's Sports Awards celebration, but everyone around here calls it WIN for short. Today they're going to be honoring female athletes from all across the state. It's really about putting the spotlight on women's sports and fitness, focusing on advocacy, leadership, and development. It sounds like an amazing program, one I wish I had when I was in high school. But it's cool, because today I'll get to go to the conference, meet all the great girls, and hang out with Picaboo.
I wanted to challenge Picaboo to a downhill race on the slopes, but with no mountains and no snow, I had to issue a challenge of another kind. After she cleaned my clock in a quick game of air hockey, I had a chance to sit down with her one-on-one to find out what makes this world-class athlete tick.
I ran track, I played basketball, played volleyball. Volleyball was probably my favorite. I really liked the whole team atmosphere of playing volleyball, but at the same time it was hard to rely on somebody else for the outcome of the game. I think that's when I realized, wow, I think I like the individual sport thing. I think I like the clock, and me from start to the finish in the clock is my proof. Comparatively to a lot of my competitors, I started old. I was 5.5 when I started skiing, and a lot of my competitors were like, yeah, I was 18 months, it was 2. It's real similar training that other people do for other sports in the most part. But then there are elements to the training that you have to step up, and you have to create that body awareness and create that dynamic strength. Well, I always tell myself to be happy, because I thrive in the what haven't I done, what could I do better zone. It was definitely a destiny to be a skier. An athlete, for sure. When my father said to me, you're a great jock, but you can be a girl too, and he bought me a dress, I'll never forget that. And so, you know, you're perfect just how God made you.
Well, that's it for the WIN conference. I had a great time here in Kansas City. I met some awesome athletes and got to hang out with Picaboo Street. It doesn't get much better than that. Next time I'll see you, it'll be on NikeWomen.com.